Good evening. My name is Ramarajan. My educational qualification is MSc B.Ed MPhil. I completed both BSc and MSc in ST Hindu College Nagarkoil, B.Ed in Kamaraj College Padavai, and MPhil in CMST Rajakamangalam. For the demo class, I have chosen a topic: hormones. Before we enter into the topic hormone, we should know about this, how it can be emulated or right. Hormones, by hearing the word, that means to excite. If a student who has written 10th or 12th and expected for the result, he or she may be hesitate to hear the result or feel or getting anxiety. Why? Why these things are happen to them? Because of the hormones. They are excited in the body. Hormones. Hormones means chemical messengers. What is hormone? It is mean chemical messengers. It transport the message by means of chemical signals. That way it is called chemical messengers. How the hormones are released? The hormones are chemical messengers. They are released to the blood from endocrine system. They are released to the blood from endocrine system. Endocrine system is called ductless glands. They have no duct. That's why it is called ductless gland. From the endocrine system, it releases the hormones to the blood. And third step, after the endocrine system release the hormones to the blood, it acts on a specific tissue or organ. The hormones acts on a specific tissue or hormones. Tissue means a group of cells is called tissues, and tissues further form into organs. Hormones relation to the tissues, organs. Next step, it speed up or slow down or alter the process. After it was acts on the tissues, it speed up or slow down or alter the process. The next step, these things which was happening on the blood by means of attaining the target organs, enter to the target organs, it will speed up or alter the process or slow down the process. For example, for this speed up or slow down or alter, if there is thyroxine which was present in the enormous amount, thyroxine which was present in the enormous amount, it can slow down by means of the pituitary gland, which gives order to the thyroid gland. The thyroxine level is low. The vice versa which has happened. If there is low means high, high means low, or altering or speed up. This is this process. And from the target organ, these changes are happens to the target organ. After the process is over, after what was the process? The hormones, whatever the process, it was over. It was not permanent in the blood. Hormones are not permanent in the blood. They are excreted by the kidneys. Once the process is over, they are excreted by the kidney. Kidney is called excretory organ, placed in the lumbar cavity. A pair of kidney is present in the humans. It is an excretory organ. Removes the waste and maintain the pH. Some other uses of kidneys. Let it be go. These are about the hormones. Let us see the examples of the hormones. I stated here 4 examples. One is adrenaline, insulin, glucagon, progesterone. Adrenaline, insulin, glucagon, progesterone. Adrenaline is also called as emergency hormones. In emergency situation or stress situation, at once the endocrine gland releases the adrenaline. From endocrine gland, endocrine system which consists of adrenal gland, that adrenal gland releases adrenaline. Adrenal means the other name of kidney is called renal. Adrenal means adjacent to the renal, above the renal. That's why it is called adrenaline gland. From the adrenal gland, adrenaline is produced above the kidney or suprarenal, where adrenal gland is present. From the adrenal gland, adrenaline is released in case of emergency situation, angry or anxiety or scared, whatever the situation. In the emergency situation, adrenaline is released. Then insulin. Insulin is secreted by the pancreas. Adrenaline is secreted by adrenal gland. Insulin is secreted by the pancreas from the cell that is called islet of Langerhans. Islet of Langerhans, which secrete alpha cell, beta cell and delta cell. From the beta cell, insulin is produced. From the beta cell, insulin is produced, which was useful to maintain the glucose level. Insulin is useful to maintain the glucose level. And third, glucagon. Glucagon, the same pancreas, islet of Langerhans, which secretes glucagon. It induces the glucose level. It increases the glucose level. Glucagon role is increase the glucose level. And finally, progesterone. Progesterone is called pregnancy hormone. On the pregnancy time, progesterone will come to maintain the childbirth and loosen the uterus, which was helpful for the childbirth. Progesterone is produced. So these are the four hormones: adrenaline, insulin, glucagon, progesterone. Let me see at a glance about these hormones and example. First of all, hormones, that is chemical messengers released to the blood from the endocrine system. Endocrine system is also called as ductless gland. Then act on a specific tissues or organ. The hormone act on a specific tissue or organ. Tissue means group of cell, organs means group of cell to form organs. Then the hormones speed up or slow down or alter a reaction. Then it goes to the target organs. After the process is over, not permanent in the blood, excreted by the kidneys. Example, adrenaline, fight or flight hormone, insulin, it maintains the glucose level, glucagon, it increases the glucose level, progesterone, it is a pregnancy hormone.